So guys, for the first method, if you're using an external keyboard, then you want to unplug your keyboard and then plug it back in again. See if that works. For the second method, if you have a keycap puller, then you want to remove the delete key and then put it back in place again. See if that works. You could also remove all the keyboard keys and then clean around your keyboard to remove any dirt or anything. One of your keys may be stuck, preventing you from using the delete key, such as Shift, Control or FN. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on accessibility. And now you want to scroll down and then click on keyboard. You want to find filter keys. Make sure you have filter keys turned off. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand keyboards. You want to find your keyboard, right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Your keyboard may also come with an app like my one does. If it does, then you want to click on your keyboard and then go to settings. Make sure that your firmware is up to date for your keyboard software. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows, see if that's working for you. If not, then your keyboard might be broken or something. There may be an issue with the delete key.